Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Chincoteague to Paramore Island, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Chincoteague, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Paramore Island to Cape Charles Light, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Chincoteague, Virginia to Paramore Island, Virginia, from 20 to 40 nautical miles. Waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Chincoteague, Virginia, from 20 to 40 nautical miles. Waters from Paramore Island, Virginia to Cape Charles Light, Virginia, from 20 to 40 nautical miles. Until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, an area of heavy showers near the Maryland coast and extending east and southeast were moving northeast at 40 knots. Wind gusts to 47 knots were reported at Wallops Island. Hazard, wind gusts 40 to 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Bone Wreck, Assateague Beach, Ocean City Inlet, Assawoman Bay, 10 nautical miles southeast Fenwick Island, Jackspot Reef, Quinby Inlet, Paramore Island, 26-mile hill, Chincoteague Bay, Chincoteague, Blackfish Reef, Parking Lot, African Queen Wreck, Gulf Rambler Wreck, 10 nautical miles east of Ocean City Inlet, Ocean City Pier, Chicken Bone, Wachapreague Reef and Wachapreague Inlet. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service